Hey everyone, welcome back to Cash Collect. Today, we have an exciting video for all aspiring entrepreneurs out there. If you've ever wanted to start your own successful dropshipping business, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of setting up a profitable dropshipping store from scratch. Whether you're new to e-commerce or looking to take your business to the next level, we've got you covered. When it comes to starting a successful dropshipping store, one of the first steps is finding an existing store that has already achieved success and replicating its model. By studying these successful sellers, you can learn from their strategies, product selection, and operational methods. This approach saves you from the risk of choosing a product that may not sell. Thankfully, there are several ways to find these successful stores. You can use Google Shopping to search for different products and examine the stores that appear. Look for Shopify stores that offer dropship, indicated by their shipping information. Another method is signing up for a trial with AutoDS, where you can access their marketplace and see which products are currently performing well. If you're looking to find successful dropshipping stores, Google Shopping is the most valuable tool. Simply search for different products and take note of the stores that appear. However, keep in mind that not all of these stores will be on the Shopify platform, so you'll need to investigate each one individually. Take a moment to scroll down to the bottom of the website and check the shipping information. If you notice a shipping time of approximately 7 to 10 days, chances are they are drop shipping from China. Another effective method is signing up for a 30-day trial with AutoDS. This platform offers a marketplace where you can explore products that are currently performing well in the dropshipping industry. By browsing through their listings, you'll discover websites actively engaged in dropshipping these products. Both of these approaches provide valuable insights into successful dropshipping stores. Whether you prefer the convenience of Google Shopping or the curated marketplace of AutoDS, you'll gain valuable knowledge and inspiration from established sellers. Remember, finding a successful store to replicate sets a strong foundation for your own dropshipping venture. Once you've found a successful dropshipping store, the next step is ensuring it consistently attracts traffic. SimilarWeb is an invaluable tool for this purpose. It allows you to explore the traffic history of a website over the past 3 months. By copying the Shopify store's URL and pasting it into SimilarWeb, you can uncover valuable insights about its traffic performance. Look for consistent, significant traffic levels. If the store has consistently garnered tens of thousands of clicks over the past 3 months, it indicates the potential to generate similar levels of traffic for similar products. This information is crucial in determining the viability and profitability of your own dropshipping business. Remember, a successful store with a consistent flow of traffic sets the stage for your own entrepreneurial success. Once you've discovered a store with consistent traffic and a product that piques your interest, the next step is verifying your ability to source the item. As a beginner, it's highly recommended to explore suppliers like AliExpress and CJ Dropshipping. These platforms offer a wide range of products and are known for their reliability. Another supplier worth considering is AutoDS, which provides the convenience of filtering product options and presenting items with quick shipping times. Whether you opt for AutoDS, CJ Dropshipping, or AliExpress, the key is to ensure a dependable source for your chosen product. This step is essential to guarantee a smooth and efficient fulfillment process for your customers. Remember, choosing the right supplier is crucial for the success of your dropshipping venture, so take the time to evaluate your options carefully. Now it's time to take your next step, signing up for a free trial with Shopify. Through the provided link, you gain access to a 3-month trial for a mere $3. This trial opens the door to all of Shopify's plans, granting you complete functionality. For beginners, this opportunity is truly remarkable, as it significantly reduces initial costs. Once you've successfully signed up, you can begin designing your store. It's advisable to choose a free theme that aligns with your desired brand image. The time required for store design varies based on individual skills. But fear not! If you're a beginner seeking guidance, a video tutorial on Shopify design is available upon request. Embrace this chance to unleash your creativity and craft a visually appealing store that resonates with your brand and captures customers' attention. Once your store is designed and ready, you need to load the selected products onto your website. There are two methods, manual and automated. The manual method involves going to your supplier's website, downloading product images, copying descriptions, and manually adding them to Shopify. The automated method involves using AutoDS to connect your Shopify store. By installing the AutoDS Google Chrome extension tool, you can add products directly from the supplier's website to your store. AutoDS allows you to manage multiple suppliers and products efficiently, ensuring seamless order fulfillment. Before launching your store and driving traffic, it's crucial to cross-check certain elements. Ensure that all policy pages, including refund, terms and conditions, privacy, and shipping policies, are clearly presented on your website. Validate and finalize the payment methods you plan to offer, as more options increase the likelihood of conversions. Use the test option to ensure successful payment collection, avoiding revenue loss. With a fully prepared store, it's time to decide on a traffic method. Google Shopping Ads are recommended due to the vast user base and high search volume on Google. By leveraging the platform, you increase your chances of success by targeting potential customers actively searching for products on Google. To begin, sign up for a Google Ads account and a Google Merchant Center account. The Google Merchant Center is where you load your products to inform Google about the items you're selling. To simplify the process, use an app like the one mentioned in the text that connects your store to the Merchant Center. Once you have been approved for a Google Ads account and connected your store to the Merchant Center, you can set up your first shopping ad campaign. Google Shopping Ads are effective because they target users who are actively searching for specific products on Google. By showing up in the search results, you increase the visibility of your store. Setting up and optimizing your Google Shopping ad campaign requires careful attention. It's important to learn the best practices to avoid wasting your daily budget. If you want a more detailed step-by-step guide on setting up your store and optimizing your Google Shopping ads, you can visit the provided website for comprehensive training. By following these steps and implementing a successful dropshipping model, you can work towards making your first $1,000 per day in profit. It's important to constantly monitor and optimize your store, product selection, traffic methods, and advertising campaigns to achieve ongoing success. With dedication, persistence, and a solid strategy, you can build a thriving dropshipping business. We hope you enjoyed the video, but now that it's over, what did you think? Leave your comments down below and don't forget to hit the like button. Also, click subscribe if you enjoyed the video and want to see more from us in the future. By the way, we also have a video on how to get paid by only typing dumb words. So if you're interested in doing that, click the tab presented on your screens. Thank you for taking the time to watch this.